Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back for yet another video, and yes, I am sorry, but I can explain. I think it's been about 8 months since I posted a video, and here's what happened. So if you remember back from last year, we did a renovation project on our backyard. That was basically the entire month of June, every weekend, Saturday to Sunday, sun up to sundown, kick my butt. Turned out well. I'll try to find some pictures and put them up on the screen, but that was really fun. Shortly following that patio renovation, I head coached both of our son and daughter's baseball and softball teams. And with just regular day job and that, it was just drawing a lot of time out of my schedule on top of kind of falling out of it with that renovation project. So it was just this perfect storm of you're not already doing it, you're not used to doing it anymore. If you recall, I did post a couple like ASMR style videos of just like the audio. Those were actually, by the way, filmed at like 2 o'clock in the morning, just because that was the only time I had to donate to the videos. Conversely, I took a 3-minute snippet of those ASMR videos and I put them on TikTok, and they blew up. One of them on TikTok, I think it was like 105,000 views in just a couple of days, and the other one was like 20,000 views in just a couple of days. A lot of positive feedback, or like, oh, this is really cool in the comments from just random TikTok people. So I was like, oh, hey, that's kind of cool. So there's another egg in the story of why we're here. Sorry. So summer's over by this point. I have 0 projects. I did not pick anything up over the summer. I had literally nothing to work on. And then here's this thing over here called TikTok that's kind of chirping and going off of what I'm posting on it. So I was just naturally, that's the way I was leaning. So then the interviews started. Those aren't the only bolts that we put red Loctite on when we put it all back together. So hopefully it works out for them. Thanks guys. Oh gosh, what can I say about the interviews? Just silly, funny, comedic relief valve that I put on. I actually posted a couple of them on YouTube, so you might have seen those. The TikTok thing just blew up. It's mechanic parody content, tool content, just not necessarily small engine related, but a lot of things just started popping off. Some of the content has even gathered the interests of one Chris Fix from YouTube, who is the largest DIY automotive channel on YouTube. Pretty cool. It just started taking all the attention. If you're not on TikTok too, I'd encourage you to go. It's an incredible, it's not just teenage kids dancing anymore. So what's the future look like for this channel? I will be posting a lot of those TikTok videos as YouTube shorts. I apologize in advance if it seems like spam. Coming up on spring, a lot more things are going to be available, which I'll hop on, and I do want to make the commitment of a minimum of 1 video per month, probably a maximum of 4, so that either preferably 2 videos a month. That's once every couple weeks. Hey, here's something I'm working on. Just kind of keeps it keeps you engaged. It keeps me accountable or whatever. So that's what you can expect. With that, I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much. Also too, I lost a drone. Grand Haven, Michigan. I was flying it over Lake Michigan. Went to land it. It was windy. It felt like it was DJI's fault. They said it was my fault, and we'll go with that. Droney. I lost the drone forever. I did try to find it. I did buy a huge magnet. I did attempt to go back. There were a couple steel bushings on the propellers, and I did try to throw a magnet. It was like 15 feet in this channel. I did try to find it. It is a felony to scuba dive inside the channel. I did check with the Ottawa County Sheriff's Department, and they said don't do that, otherwise you'll get in trouble. So it's a bummer. But again, thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.